Hello and welcome, and in this video I'll show you how you can charge your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra wirelessly. So the first way and the simplest one is just using a wireless charger. So just make sure that is plugged in to your power outlet and just put your phone on it, and as you can see it is in fact charging. And the second way, which is more complicated, and you will need for example your friend's device, and the second phone will need to have support for the wireless power sharing. And to enable it, you can also use your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to charge other devices, for example an iPhone and any other device that supports a wireless charging. So to enable that option, you have to just open settings and you just scroll down to battery, and here you can see the wireless power sharing and just enable that option. And okay, so we're gonna remove it from the wireless pad, and as you can see the option is enabled. And for example, let's pretend that this iPhone is this phone, your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and if we put our phone like this in a sort of a cross looking like formation, we'll be able to see that the phone is charging. So that's a pretty neat feature, and I believe these are the we're done for the video. And so if you consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.